Morning.
Hey, good morning.
Hello, good morning, ma'am. How are you?
Fine.
What you have here?
Fine.
You fine? You're fine, I'm fine. All right. Thank you, ma'am.
May tingnan mo ba yan?
But not mouth. Early morning of Sunday. At about 6:45. Okay. Say hi again. Yes, some big gas. Big gas, big gas. Hello. This is the wet market. Now let's start from. Let's start from here. Hello, mom. Good morning. Show up yourself. Say hi. Thank you. Morning. Morning. Morning, ma'am. Nothing new pocket mark. This is the wet market.
Nagugulat pag nasa na kayo. Ay, good morning, sir.
Hello, good morning, ma'am. How are you?
I'm so beautiful.
You're so beautiful.
Ayan nga.
Maganda.
Maganda ako. Ay,
Also, ikaw maganda.
ikaw talaga, sir. Maganda nga ako. Binibigyo mo pa eh. Mamaya nakarating sa ibang bansa yan.
Yes. Please talk. Hi, hello. Still, hello. Still fresh here. Fresh there, not in public market. Still moving. All right, move.
Yung dog.
Still moving. Very good. There is also cold. That's the. Hello. Hi everybody. Say hi.
Hello, sir.
Thank you. Thank you very much. What do you have here? Let's see. This is the best. I like it. Hello. Morning. Fresh fish. Good morning. Seafood. Wet market of Mabini. Go to the Digits market. Market of Mabini. Here you have chai, tiger. Here are beautiful. Thank you. Say hi, mom. Thank you very much. Here is the Bridget's mouth.
Con nào? Nhéo.
Magkano yan? 120 po. Sige na eh. Oh.
Back to you. Morning, Mabini.
Di ba nila di pa yung God?
Dalata. Lalo na mamaya pa na. Pati yung tupay ba? Bakit? Ang sigaw mo. Pinapasati nga.
Baite, 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 baite. Ricardo, baite, baite.
Trim. Hello, beautiful lady.
Mini lang.
Go. Hello.
Hello, morning.
Morning. Pagaong. What is this? Pagaong? Let's see. Which one is the pagaong? Punabon? Kapit market Nabili, Pangasinan. this way to Burgess. That's it. Don't subscribe.